In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PNG and place it into an existing Photoshop project. If you're new to Photoshop or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will show you two simple ways to work with PNG files. The first is how to open a PNG as its own document, and the second is how to bring a PNG into a project you're already working on. PNGs are great because they support transparency, which you'll recognize as a checkerboard background in Photoshop. Let's start by opening a PNG on its own. Launch Adobe Photoshop. Then go to the File menu at the top left and choose Open. Navigate to your PNG file and select it. Photoshop will load it as a new document in its own tab, ready for editing. You'll see the transparent areas as a grey and white checkerboard, which makes it easy to layer the image later if you need to. From here, you can edit, retouch, or export as needed. This approach is perfect when the PNG itself is the main focus of your work. Now let's bring a PNG into an existing project. Make sure your project is open and active. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. This option embeds a copy of the PNG into your document and by default turns it into a smart object, which means you can resize it multiple times without losing quality. Select your PNG and it will appear on your canvas with transform handles around it. To resize, hover over a corner and drag inward or outward. Photoshop keeps the aspect ratio intact automatically, so your image won't stretch unnaturally. If you need more precision, you can type values into the options bar or hold Alt or Option while dragging to scale from the center. To move the image, simply click and drag it while the transform box is active. If the PNG is larger than your screen and you can't see the handles, zoom out so everything fits comfortably. When you're happy with the size and position, press Enter or click the check mark in the options bar to confirm. After placing, you'll see the PNG appear as a new layer in the Layers panel. You can drag it above or below other layers to